Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, Revered Babuji Maharaj, Wednesday, September 12th, 2001, 8:30 a.m. My dear son, this initiation, the note, the grandson of revered Lalaji Maharaj, Shri Dinesh Kumar, was granted provisional permission to work as a prefect of the Sahaj Marg system. Is an outstanding event for our mission, with which the hierarchy is delighted. This sole fact may not be enough for the time being to restore your courage, and yet so it must be, my son. You cannot keep sinking into discouragement and despair as you do. The mission still needs you, and more than ever, in this world, which is in complete devastating madness. Although we have been following the progress of your successor for some time now, he is not ready for the time being to face the situation. The presence of this wise old man that you are indispensable to prepare for his way. Pull yourself together, wouldn't you? You will make us happy. We understand your weariness. Do you believe you are the first one experiencing such a situation? Take heart for some more time. As I already told you, you must go on until the end of the contract. Would you want to desert now? It is not like you to do so. We have put our trust in you and we help you as much as possible. Soon the outlook will get brighter for you and you will find the comfort which you aspire to. May your heart tell you of all our love and compassion. May Dinesh Kumar's arrival be a ray of sunshine that rejoices you, my dear son, Babuji Maharaj. Same day at 10 a.m. The human being is not invincible. Whatever his level of spiritual elevation, he is as vulnerable as every mortal. He is saved no torment. On the contrary, his sensitivity taken to extremes makes him very vulnerable. His power is elsewhere. It appears in the work that it carries out on the subtle levels undetectable to ordinary human beings. A spiritual master is a lonely man who endures in more than one way, and that is something he cannot escape. That is the price of his mission. It is heavy to pay, yet so promising that it cannot be reconsidered. You see, my child, that each one, as far as he is concerned, is involved in a process which he cannot escape from. When the die is cast, there is no going back over it anymore. Hence, the notion of surrender as the only positive resort in face of life's ordeals. They are precious stones when recognized as such. Praying is a powerful means that is worth considering. May you live your life here below from the perspective we have just mentioned. Babuji Maharaj.